Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello civil engineers and welcome to CIVIL53. In the previous lecture we had drawn first floor walls. In this lecture we will create the staircase, so let's get started. But before that I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel, so let's go. Open the folder which we created in the previous lecture, Practical AutoCAD course, Architectural Design. Double click. Now open our file which we saved also in the last lecture, G+3 Architectural Plan. So double click. Now let's draw stairs. First we need to know the size of stair hall. Click on dimension. Specify first point, left click. Specify second point, left click. So the width of stair is 7 feet 2 inches 3 by 8 suit. Press escape to come out of dimension tool. Now let's choose the staircase length as 16 feet. You will come to know why in a while. Type O, enter, give a distance of 16 feet, enter. Now select the object to offset, so we will select this object, left click, move the cursor down, and then left click. Now press escape to come out of offset command. The general width of a staircase for a residential building is kept as 3 feet. Here we will provide 3 feet 4 inches 1 by 4 suit. Type O, enter, give a distance of 3 feet dash 4 inches. Make sure not to type the inches symbol here, dash 1 by 4 suit, enter. Now select this side, left click, go inside and then left click. Select this side, go inside and then left click. Now press escape to come out of offset command. Now click on dimension, over to this point, left click, go down, left click. We found it to be 3 feet 4 inches 1 by 4 suit. Let's do the same thing for the other side, left click, 3 feet 4 inches 1 by 4 suit. Let's measure this gap between these two stairs, so left click and left click. We found it to be 5 inches 7 by 8 suit. Press escape to come out of dimension tool. Now we will delete this dimension, we just made it to make the things clear. Selected, delete, select this, delete. Now we have to give 3 feet 4 inches 1 by 4 suit for landing. So type O, enter, 3 feet dash 4 inches dash 1 by 4 suit, enter. So select this object to offset inside and offset it inside, left click. Now press escape to come out of offset command. Now we need to draw the tread. As we know that tread of a step varies between 10 inches to 1 feet. Do not go below 10 inches, as a majority of people will not be able to place their foot comfortably due to narrow width of a step. We will choose 1 feet as we have a large 16 feet space available for staircase arrangement. Type L, enter, over to this point. Do not click, as we can see with the help of a snap tool we have taken a reference point. Now move the cursor down to a small distance, type 1 feet, enter. Now we need to complete this step by moving the cursor close to the end point. So this is our end point, we move the cursor close to it, and with the help of intersection snap tool indicator move till this point. Do not click, and then come back to this point again, left click. Now press escape to come out of tool line. Now we need to find number of tread. We know that the general height of a step, which is also known as rise, varies between 6 inches to 8 inches. Any rise above 8 inches will be felt uncomfortable while climbing, so try to avoid it in all circumstances. We will choose 7 inches rise value, as we know that total number of rise equals to floor to floor height divided by rise height. So total number of rise will equal to 11 feet divided by 7 inches. Now we need to convert 11 feet into inches, so which will equal to 132 inches divided by 7 inches. So total number of rise equals to 18.85, which is approximately 19. Now we can find total number of tread, as we know that total number of tread equals to total number of rise minus 1. So 19 minus 1 equals to 18. So we got total number of tread equals to 18. Now we need to find total number of tread for each flight. So we will divide it 18 by 2. So we will get 9 tread for each flight. So now we will provide 9 treads in the first flight and 9 treads in the second flight. So type O, enter, give a distance of 1 feet, enter. We will provide 9 steps. So we have already 1. So this is our second, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now press escape to come out of offset command. Now we need to copy these steps to the other side. So type CO, enter, select these objects, left click. To confirm selection, right click. Now specify your press point. So we will take this as our press point, left click, and we will take this as second point, left click. Now press escape to come out of copy command. Now we need to trim the extra lines. So select the entire stairs like this, type TR, enter, trim these 2 lines, this line, these lines. Press escape to come out of trim command, select these 2 and press delete. Now the last thing we need to do is to indicate the upward direction. So type LE, enter. So this is our upward direction, left click, and here left click. Press escape to come out of LE command. As we can see that the arrow is too small, so double click on this line. As we can see here, we have arrow size. We will change it to 6 inches. Enter. Now press escape. Select this, delete. Congratulations, we have successfully created the staircase with the proper dimension. Now let's save the file. Go to quick access toolbar, click on this icon which is save, left click. So by this we have saved the file. Now we can conclude this tutorial video. In the next lecture, inshallah, we will start pressing the doors. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then please subscribe to my channel and like the video. I would really appreciate that, and if you have any doubts, then let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you next lecture, inshallah.